Hi, this is Friday 21st uh, on August 2020. Uh, I'm just going to take a look at a few charts. The US dollar, the monthly trend still intact. You had the trend of the dollar that started 2008ish, and it's been a bullish trend, but right now it's under threat. It might break down, and if it does, I'm thinking it's going down all the way to 88. The only way I would change my thesis is if it goes above 95 with a nice, a good solid volume. That's the only way I'll change, and then I'll have to look at the news and situation, what's going on around the world. But right now, based on the macro backdrop, dollar is still, in my opinion, is in the bullish trend. I mean, in the bearish trend. And if you look at this line here, this line has to be respected. The bearish trend line, it has been tested here 3 times. It's been tested 3 times. So it has to break. This bearish line has to break in order for people to start thinking about reversing the trade on the bull side. Let's look at crude. Crude is it's it's been a bearish market for crude for since 2008, pretty much. And right now, in terms of trade wise, I think crude is not in a good position to put your money long or short side because it's in the middle. In order for you to, for me at least, to think about shorting crude, the price has to go around here, $57 around there. I would start shorting crude, and I like to stay within the larger trend because the momentum is on my side. The psychology of the crowd is on my side, and that's what you want to have. You want to have psychology and the momentum on your side. uh, all right, so that's that. Tesla is I don't know what to say. Like, this is a insane move by Tesla. Uh, if you're a trader, I wouldn't trade long or the short side, because this is just a monster. But if you're an investor, you're thinking 10 years, 20 years, then you could buy anywhere basically, and you'll make tons of return for the next 10 to 20 years. Just bear in mind, it's a very volatile stock. It goes up as much as it goes down, when it does feel like going down. So you got to be very careful. If you do decide to put your money in, just stay cash. Do not put any leverage. Tesla is very similar to Amazon. I could talk about it a little bit more in another video, but this Tesla setup right here. It reminds me of the 1998 Amazon move, that went like $100 from like $13 or $11, and it went all the way to $107. So I think Tesla is it's a very good long-term stock. There's too many good things going on. There's too many macro backdrop. There's too many policies and sentiments that basically are helping Tesla to move forward. So that you have to, if you are an investor, like, you should set up position yourself for the moves that's gonna be coming for the next 10 years, 20 years. So just be careful, and you'll be fine. um Natural gas. I like natural gas. Natural gas been in a consolidation. It had a freaking crazy move down, but it has been in consolidation. A break out of the consolidation. Now, I would say that it's kind of exhausted. And you might see natural gas come back a little bit to retest 240 to $2, and then it might set up. But The only thing about natural gas is I'm thinking, excuse me, thinking that the election, you have to take the November 3rd election into account, trading anything. So we you have to think about also the winter. Those things. I mean, if you're an expert, if you've been trading natural gas, you know what to do. I'm just thinking that this might be a good long for the next couple of months, but you're gonna have to wait for the retracement. Okay. And the Dow Jones. Dow Jones, again, it's the same thing as the it's the same thing as the crude, right? Like it's right in the middle. You don't know if it's gonna stop. You don't know if it's gonna continue to go up. Is this a good place to go in? I don't think so. If you have been in, just think about the election. Just think about all the risk that's coming onto play. The Congress still did not decide about the paychecks. Then and then you still have people unemployed. A lot of businesses are struggling. Uh, I'm pretty sure that we're going to hit 3,000. I'm just not sure if it's gonna be a straight move to 3,000. There might be a couple of stops before it goes to 3,000. When it gets to 3,000, then and if it does goes to 3,000 before the election, I'll like willing to bet that a lot of people are gonna take some short position in Dow Jones. And that's about it for Friday. Have a nice day, guys. Enjoy your weekends.